to see the camera just right here. I'll let you say your first name and your last name.
Felix Low.
So Felix, nice to meet you. Welcome on board. My name is Frank. We are with the 488 GTB. We are going on track for 2 laps ride along. So are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, cool. So you see you have a brake pedal on your right. So please don't touch it.
Yeah.
Let me check something.
So it'll be like one out and then one more and
Yeah.
then So do people just drive one car here, or they drive multiple cars?
The instructor, you mean?
Yeah, instructors. Yeah.
So it depends. Which tier is that. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh yeah, this is awesome. Oh, this is better than any roller coaster.
Right, right.
It's awesome. Woo!
Did you like it?
Oh, that's awesome. It's like so thrilling. Oh, that's nice. Appreciate it. Thank you.
It's a great car.
I know it feels just like a race car. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Alright, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, it feels like a proper race car. Refined. Oh man, that's fun.
Perfect.
Perfect. Well,
So
thank you.
Let me give you back your USB.
Okay.
So the next step will be inside the tent. Go to the video checkout. Okay?
Okay. All right. Thank you.